Hey there, what is up you guys? I am Jerry and welcome to the Chicago Griller. Are you looking to build big and bold flavors at your next backyard barbecue, but all you have is a small little gas grill? Well, that is no problem because on this channel I share my favorite tips, tricks, and recipes for the Weber Q and other gas grills. So crank up your gas, fire up your grills, because today I am going to show you how to grill chicken. Now, yeah, I know, how is chicken big, bold, and beautiful? Well, I'll tell you how. You hit it with some balsamic, hit it with some honey, and it will be a dish to remember. So, let's get started. Today on the channel, I will be grilling up these two chicken breasts. I got this chicken from Aldi, and as you can see, one of these breasts is larger than the other. But that's okay, we'll even it out. Now, most people probably just plop chicken breasts straight on the grill like this. That's not the way to do it, because chicken breast is thinner on one side versus the other side. So naturally, this means this thinner side is going to cook a lot faster than this thicker side. So this thin side often gets overcooked as compared to the thicker side. So to fix this problem, grab a Ziploc bag. I have a gallon-sized bag today, but you could use a quart-sized bag, which will be more economical. Anyways, place one of your breasts inside the Ziploc bag. And actually, let me get this plate out of the way so the video is a little bit more clear. And then to this bag, we're going to drizzle about 1 teaspoon, maybe 2 teaspoons of olive oil. You're using just enough oil to lubricate the chicken for the steps ahead. Anyways, flatten the bag and make sure to squeeze out all the air out of it. We don't want to damage the bag in this next step. Wait, damage the bag? Yeah, with this hammer. So with this meat mallet, we are going to just pound the thicker part of the chicken until it is of even thickness as the thin part. If you don't have a meat mallet, a rolling pin, or even a cast iron pan will work just as well. Just be careful. Trust me, this is incredibly fun and therapeutic after a long day of work. Anyways, continue doing this until all your stress is gone or when all your chicken is of the same thickness. And as you can see now, there is no thin and thick side of this chicken. It is all of even thickness. So now I know this will cook evenly on the grill. Now time for the marinade. Grab the bag that you used before, because let's not waste it. And we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Next comes that first punch, a 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar. Into the bag it goes. Then the second punch, which is 2 tablespoons of honey. There's 1. And about 2. Perfect. And to this mixture, I'm going to press about 2 cloves of garlic. In that goes. And finally, we're going to season with some salt and some pepper. About 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of each. Then roll up and seal your bag and mix the ingredients thoroughly. Once the marinade is thoroughly mixed, we're going to go grab our 2 pieces of chicken and just plop them straight into the bag. Once again, we will now seal the bag and thoroughly mix the ingredients around. Make sure every surface of that chicken is covered in balsamic vinegar and honey. And now, chuck this whole thing in the fridge and let the chicken bathe in the balsamic marinade for as long as you're able to let it go. Even just an hour is fine if that's all you got. And today I have marinated my chicken for about 5 hours. Out here on the patio, I have preheated my Weber Q2000 to a medium heat, and I've cleaned and oiled the grates. So now I could place the chicken directly across the grill grate. And listen to that great sizzle as soon as the chicken hits the grill. Now we just shut the lid and let the magic happen. And depending on how thick your chicken breasts are, we are going to give them a flip after about 4 to 6 minutes. And check out those awesome grill marks. I'll tell you what, the combination of the honey and balsamic smell amazing right about now. But we're only halfway there, so shut the lid and keep on cooking. Now here I am at about the 9-minute mark. I'm going to go check on my chicken breasts. Now you always want to temp your chicken breasts, and you're looking for a target temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 74 degrees Celsius. And actually, as you can see, I am quite a bit under that. And I think it's because these chicken breasts are a little bit thicker. If you hammered it thinner, they would be closer to the 8-minute mark. Anyway, since I gotta cook this a little longer, I might as well turn them so I can give them some cool crosshatch sear marks. Okay, and we are back after giving the chicken a full 12 minutes. And as you can see, we are right about 160, and that is fine because the chicken will come up a few degrees when they rest off of the grill. So I'm going to go ahead and pull these 2 chicken breasts off the grill. There we go. So there you have it, grilled balsamic chicken breasts, prepared on a Weber cube. These pair very nicely with a wide variety of dishes, but tonight I've paired this with some butternut squash ravioli. Let me know what you paired this with. And so that's it, guys. That is my recipe for balsamic grilled chicken breasts. Let me know in the comments section down below if you plan on trying out this recipe. You definitely won't regret it. Anyways, thank you as always for watching today. If you have the time, definitely check out some of the other videos that I have on this channel by clicking my name below or clicking any of the thumbnails to my right. Otherwise, if you have to run, just hit that like button, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out when new content drops. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you all again next time. Bye now.